Hi everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on broomstick legs, or otherwise known as fan kick legs or a fan kick variation. So we're going to get started right away. Make sure you're warmed up, stand next to your pole and reach your inside arm as tall as you can get it. The outside arm is just going to come right across the chest, but it's going to go a little higher than chest level. Then you step with your inside leg and outside leg comes forward. So if you look at this position now, my outside leg is forward, my inside leg is back, and I'm also looking over my outside shoulder with my head. So to add the broomstick leg variation onto that spin, you're really going to be focusing on lifting through the leg that's leading, which is the outside leg. So you really need to use your lower core for this exercise. And your legs might not go too high at first, but it's a practice thing. Okay, so this is it one more time. Kick with the outside leg and enjoy the spin. See you next time.